There's a grocery shop near my house. There we buy grains, oil, salt, sugar, biscuits and many other things. Can you name them? I am in standard 3. I walk to school. We learn Marathi, English, mathematics and study our environment in school. Our English textbook is called My English Book 3. Bye bye.
असेच आमचे नवनवीन व्हिडिओ बघण्यासाठी आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा आणि हो आमच्या व्हिडिओला लाईक आणि शेअर करायला विसरू नका. बाय बाय.